Welcome, explorers. I'm Mrs. John. Hi, Pocky. Do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. Oh, it's a little baby chick. It can hang on by this thread to something. Oh, it looks like it's made out of thread. That's pretty cool. And it has felt wings and a felt beak. Little beads for eyes. That's adorable. Oh, look, there's a little fluffy part there too. Fun. Let's play Animal Crossing Pocket Camp today. Okay, let's go to the saltwater shores and let's check out the Tourney. I can pick up, oh! Chip says, oh boy, it's finally here, fishing tourney number 2. I'm Chip and I'll be your host and your #1 fish fan. Yep. Now hold the reel just a second there. Is this your first fishing tourney? Need a few tips? I know what to do. So for this fishing tourney, I'll be giving out rewards for the total size of all the fish you catch. Oh, that's fun. Those are the different rewards we can get. And if you want to take on some of my chip challenges, here's what I've got for you. So if we are able to get horse mackerel, catch 8, then we can get one of those. That's nice. Zebra moray collecting, catch 8 of them. Sea butterfly collecting, catch 32 of them. That's cool. We can get some leaf tickets. That's cool too. If you really want to go for it in this tourney, you might try out one of these tourney throw nets. Here, I'll let you borrow this one to see how it works. Yep. Oh, catch these special tourney fish so we can get a sea butterfly, a pufferfish, and a zebra moray. You'll recognize a tourney fish by its sparkling shadow in the water. When you see one, try to catch it. Okay. Then they'll measure them, and he'll give us a reward. That's fun. Okay, so we can catch a bunch of tourney fish at once by using the tourney throw nets. And we can win a trophy. That's cool. So we only have a few days to do this. Let's see if we can get some big fish. So let's look around here. Oh, there's one. So once we see the exclamation point, then we touch the screen, and then it'll reel it in. 2 pufferfish. Wow. Oh, you got my a tourney fish already? Well, let me just measure the lot for you. Yeah. 76.9 centimeters. Woodfish trophy. You've earned a trophy. Collect it from your mailbox after the tourney. You're doing great, but don't let that slow you down. Keep on catching more fish. Say, you seem like the type who might take this whole fishing tourney thing to the next level. Well, have I got something for you? For a limited time only, you can rent a goldenrod. Now let me stop you before you start. What's a goldenrod do besides sparkle in the sun? Well, with this fine rod, you'll catch 2 fish at once every time, And that's for the whole tourney. And I'll let you in on a secret. Tourney fish only linger about an area for a while. And once you've made some catches, it takes time for more fish to appear. Which is to say, catching 2 fish at one time is real helpful. So if this goldenrod sounds interesting, let me know. We can start drawing up the rental papers. Should we rent it? Let's try it. Oh, 80. Oh, that's a lot. I don't think I can do that. That's a lot of leaf tickets. Changed your mind, eh? Okie doke. Just let me know if you change your mind, okay? All right. Let's look for some more. Oh, let's pick up this conch shell. There's a fish. Let's catch it. I caught 2 sea butterflies. Nice. There's another fish. Two more sea butterflies. That's great. Let's pick up the scallop. Ooh, hey, a zebra moray. I should show it to Chip. Well, let's talk to this guy. Poppy. Why, hello, are you living the outdoor life too, Nutty? I just simply had to stop here for a while. Scenery like this is meant to be appreciated. I'm Poppy, by the way. Have you been on the road long? I bet you know all the best campsites. Oh, by the way, can I help you with something? Let's give Poppy this orange. You'd really give this to me? I must be the luckiest girl in the world. Oh, this is Nutty. This is what pure gratitude looks like. Oh, we'll come back to talk to Poppy later, but we need to continue trying to catch some fish for the tournament. A pufferfish, 2 of them even. What a catch. Another pufferfish. Let's catch this fish, even though it isn't a tournament fish. Oh, it's an olive flounder. We should use the fishing tournament throw net. Let's do it. Ooh, so we caught a pufferfish, a sea butterfly, and 2 zebra morays. I caught a whole bunch of fish. I bet Chip will be interested. Oh, there's another one. A sea butterfly. I must have caught all the fishing tourney fish available now. I should go give them to Chip. Let's do that. Oh, hey, a pal. I brought fish for you. Hey, this feels like a pretty good catch. Nice and heavy. All right, I'll get to measuring. Oh, that's a lot of fish. 384.3 centimeters. I reached a goal. Well, look at that. You've reached a total size goal. Now let's see here. What have I got for you? A pufferfish hat. Hey, this is your first reward from this fishing tourney, isn't it? Well, congratulations, nyuk nyuk. Now don't stop there. There's a lot more tourney fish out there. Catch 'em and bring 'em to me. That's awesome. Let's try it on. So we go to items, and we go to the one that looks like clothes and hats. Pufferfish hat, let's wear it. Cool. So now we can walk around with our new pufferfish hat on if we want. That's awesome. Let's go back to, oh, let's check and see how many friends have helped us out. Nope, nobody's helped us out yet. Let's go back to our campsite. Let's go over to my garden. So I have lots of tulips in my garden. Let's pick some of them. Harvest many. I'm not going to harvest these right here. Okay, so now I'm going to pick them. Now I'm going to plant some. Before I plant, I'm going to buy some. Order seeds. I'm going to order some tulip seeds because I only have one. So I'm going to order 33 of them. Okay, and I'm going to order 24 of the orange tulip seeds. So now I'm going to plant some orange tulip seeds. And then I'll plant some red tulip seeds too. Ooh, can we get some more? No fortune cookies are in stock. Oh, good. Let's buy some more fortune cookies. Welcome, welcome. How may I help you today? I want to order a cookie. There's Timmy's and there's clothing. Let's try for the Timmy's. Fortune cookie. What's our fortune gonna be? You will have an amazing dream, but forget to write it down. A box with a helmet. Thanks. All right, let's order the clothing fortune cookie. You're going to start drinking your coffee black. I don't drink coffee. Poncho. Oh, low battery. We should probably... Poncho, thanks. Thank you for using our services today. Come back soon. I'm going to put on the poncho. Cute. I love it. Do we have any hats we could wear with that? We could wear this pretty flower with it. That's cute. Let's go back to our campsite. Well, that was fun. Thanks for playing the game with me. I hope you liked it. We'll have to come back another time.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Thank you for visiting me in my kitchen today. Please come back soon. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Have a lovely day.